Hey everyone, it's Jacob Hyatt here with Doors Plus LLC. I'm here today to help you open new doors. I want to give you some simple truths today to help you worry less about your garage doors and openers. Every week, we fix the same preventable garage door emergencies. Broken springs, worn cables, failing operators. It all happened because homeowners never get routine maintenance. That's why I'm proposing that my company, Doors Plus, introduce a new software called HomeCheck. It's a yearly or twice yearly full safety and maintenance inspection program. We offer a 21-point check, adjustment, lubrication, sensor tests, and a digital report, which is simple, fast, and preventative, and everything is sent to you. Customers stay safe, they avoid expensive breakdowns, we gain recurring revenue and stronger relationships and a competitive edge as a company. What more can you ask for? When is the last time that you get routine maintenance and checks on your garage door and opener? Do you want to make sure that your family is safe? Let's launch a 60-day pilot and offer of HomeCheck with every installation and service call. It's time to make garage door safety proactive and make Doors Plus the leader in our market.